Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Aziza Rahma Putri, and in this video I'll retell an article that is facilitating application of language skills in authentic environments with a mobile learning system. So, first of all, the authors are Shadiev, Huang, and Liu. And this article was released in 2018. Then, the focus of this article is the application of language learning skills with a mobile learning system in authentic environments. Of course, a scientific article has a theoretical or pedagogical framework that is, according to Huang, Shadiev, Sun, Huang, and Liu in 2017, a familiar, authentic environment is familiar and relevant with predictable situations from students' backgrounds and previous experiences. Chelsea Murcia on 2007 stated that CLT emphasizes interaction in the target language and focuses on advancement of communicative abilities. As claimed by Olsen and Teasley in 1996, there are two distinct types of collaboration, namely loose and tight. The participants of this study are 26 junior high school students, and the method used in this study is mixed method. And as for the data collecting instruments, there are observation, interview, and questionnaire. Here is the findings of the study. Quote, "Most of the students highly valued our learning system and intend to use it in the future. Furthermore, the results show that the students performed best when they collaborated. Students' familiarity with authentic environments is very important and beneficial for their learning. In addition, even in complex environment, less skilled and experienced students with low prior knowledge can perform well when they tightly collaborate with more skilled and experienced students with high prior knowledge, and our learning system can facilitate such collaboration." End quote. And then here is the conclusion stated. Quote, "The authors attempted to answer the three research questions. It also been addressed that educators and researchers may design similar learning activities supported by the learning system because they were useful for learning in our study. There are more suggestions given by the authors. Contributions are also suggested." End quote. The authors of this study also have addressed the limitations of the study. Quote, "The first limitation is a relatively small sample size involved in this study, as well as short-term learning activities. These limitations prevent us from making inferences about the larger population and long-term program with a given level of confidence." End quote. Along with the findings, conclusions, and limitations, the authors also have provided recommendations. As stated, quote, "This study makes the following main contributions. First, current studies on mobile language learning were analyzed, and two major issues were discussed. We attempted to address these two issues by designing mobile language learning activities in which we considered students with different capabilities. That is, high linguistic ability students guided less capable ones during the learning process. Second, we explored the learning experiences of students as they applied their language skills using the mobile learning system. Our findings may help those educators and researchers who design related learning activities in similar contexts." Third, we analyzed learning performance of students across 3 different texts and found the most efficient one for mobile language learning in authentic contexts. Fourth, several suggestions for educators and researchers were provided based on our results. Finally, future research directions were discussed. End quote. So, that's my retelling of the appraisal literature of an article that is facilitating application of language skills in authentic environments with a mobile learning system. I hope it's clear enough, and I'm also sorry if there is any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.